everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग रीजनिंग की क्लास करेंगे जो कि लॉजिक की क्लास है, जो कि हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी एंड कंप्लीट कर लिया है। लॉजिक रीजनिंग कर रहे हैं, वर्बल और रीजनिंग में। नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग नेक्स्ट कमिंग क्लासेस में कवर अप करेंगे। क्लास की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो क्लास हमारा 157 है। ऑलरेडी हमने 156 क्लासेस कर लिया है। अगर हम उसकी बात करते हैं तो जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी में हमने सबसे पहले एनालॉजी डिस्कस किया है, फिर उसके बाद हमने क्लासिफिकेशन किया है, देन सीरीज कॉम्पिटिशन किया है, एंड देन वी हैव डन कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, ब्लड रिलेशन, पजल टेस्ट, and then sequential output tracing, then direction sense test, allegorical Venn diagram, then we had done alphabet test here, number ranking time sequence test here, and then we had done here mathematical operation, logic sequence of words, and then we had done arithmetic reasoning here, and then after that we have done inserting the missing character, and then data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons here, and then we had done after this we had done सिचुएशन रिएक्शन टेस्ट। उसके बाद हमने वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ द ट्रुथ ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट किया। और अब हम जो कर रहे हैं लॉजिक कर रहे हैं, जो कि आपका 21th टॉपिक है, दैट व्हाट वी आर स्टार्टिंग इन दिस क्लास. We had covered some of the topics related to the logic type 1 in the last class of 156, 155, and where we had discussed 21. Let's count it down: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 19, 20 and 21. So this is your 21th topic and general mental ability हमने already cover up कर लिया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे. एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो, सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के पास वीडियो पहुँचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सके. In terms of logic, अगर हम type 2 की बात करते हैं, what we have to discuss here is type 2, and the type 2 is when more than 2 conclusions are given. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, इस केस में आपको 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा, जहाँ पे 2 से ज़्यादा आपको conclusions given होंगे, वो आपका ये है. अभी तक के जो type 1 में आपने किया था वो आपने 2 conclusions दिए होते थे, 2 statements दिए होते थे, and then after that according to the options, according to the question demand, आप उसके हिसाब से आंसर करते थे. बट अब इसमें क्या है, स्टेटमेंट तो शायद 2 ही होंगे या 2 से 3 होंगे, बट कंक्लूजन फॉर श्योर 2 नहीं होंगे, 2 से ज़्यादा ही होंगे. वो 3 भी हो सकते हैं, वो 4 भी हो सकते हैं कंक्लूजन. सो विल गो विद कि इसको कैसे करना है. देन आफ्टर दैट विल स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस. या इन दिस टाइप ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन, 2 स्टेटमेंट्स कॉल प्रेमिसेस, जो 2 स्टेटमेंट दिए गए होंगे उन्हें हम प्रेमिसेस कहते हैं, दैट आर गिवन फॉलोड बाय द 4 कंक्लूजन. तो यहाँ इस टाइप 2 में आपको 4 कंक्लूजन दिए होंगे, टाइप 1 में आपको 2 कंक्लूजन दिए होते थे. The candidate is required to find out which of the conclusion logically follows from the given premises. जो statement premises दिए होंगे उनमें से आपको वो चारों में से कौन सा logically आपका conclusion follow कर रहा होगा वो आपको बताना है. More than one conclusion or may also follow, और एक से ज़्यादा conclusion भी follow कर सकते हैं. In such question, first the given statement are analyzed, और उससे पहले आपको statement को analyze करना पड़ेगा. If the middle term is not distributed, अगर middle term आपका distributed नहीं है, even once no conclusion will follow. अगर कोई भी आपका given distributed नहीं है तो कोई भी conclusion follow नहीं होगा. Where thus the middle term must be distributed at least once, और जो आपका middle term होगा वह at least एक बार तो distributed होगा. To derive the correct conclusion, we usually take the help of the Venn diagram. तो जहाँ पे हम derive करना होगा हम वहाँ पे Venn diagram का help लेके करेंगे. And also non conclusion follow in the following cases. तो conclusion कौन से ऐसे cases हैं जिनमें follow नहीं होंगे, तो वो 2 cases यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं. पहला कैसे, if both the premises are particular, अगर दोनों ही premises आपके statements आपके particular है तब आपका no conclusion follow होगा. And if both the premises are negative, या तो जब अगर दोनों ही premises आपके negative होंगे तब भी आपका जो कंक्लूजन होगा वो फॉलो नहीं होगा. तो अगर दोनों ही प्रेमिसेस आपके पर्टिकुलर हैं या दोनों ही प्रेमिसेस आपके नेगेटिव है तब आपका कोई भी कंक्लूजन फॉलो नहीं होगा. So in this, however, in some cases we can say that more than one Venn diagram may be possible. इसमें कुछ ऐसे cases होंगे जहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा आपके Venn diagram possible है. In such cases, all the possible Venn diagram are drawn and the solution is derived for each of them separately. तो सबके लिए अलग अलग हमको डायग्राम बनाना पड़ेगा, उसके हिसाब से हमें उसके Venn diagram को रिप्रेजेंट करके उनका सोल्यूशन भी बनाना पड़ेगा. Finally, the solution common to all the diagrams take as the answer. जो तो तीनों चारों जितने भी Venn diagram possible होंगे उनमें जो भी possibility होगी Venn diagram की उसका solution बनाएंगे और जो सेम होगा उसी को हम फाइनली आंसर को कंसिडर करेंगे. या जो सबको सेटिस्फाई करेगा उसको हम एज आंसर कंसिडर करेंगे. So here we have a first question for the session of type 2 and the 88th question of the logic here. So here this is the statement. Statement has been given here. So statement is that all books are cakes. सारे books आपके cakes हैं. All cakes are apples. सारे cakes आपके apples हैं. Conclusion 1 is some cakes are books. कुछ cakes आपके books हैं. No cake is book. कोई cake भी आपका book नहीं है. Some apples are book. कुछ apples आपके book हैं. All apples are books. तो सारे ही apples आपके book हैं. तो according to this condition if I am telling about, so we'll go with option and then after that we will decide कि कौन सा pattern आपका सही होगा या फिर कौन सा question सही होगा. But with the help of this we'll make a diagram here that all books are cakes, what they had told you in the statement, and all cakes are what they had told you in that is all apples, so that all books are cakes and all cakes are apples. So this is a diagram possible for this here for the Venn diagram. Let's go ahead with the question. So here the option we have is only first and third follow, only first follow, only first and second follow, and only third and fourth follow. With regard of that, for the given statement, the Venn diagram is as what we had shown here, where B indicates the books and C indicates the cake and A indicates the apples. So now since B has a common area with C, so the first will follow while the second does not follow, and for that sake if I'm talking about but does not entirely in the within A, so the third follows while the fourth does not, so first and third will be follow, so thus only the first and third will follow. So we'll go with only the option A will be the right answer for this, that is the first and third follow here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is the question number 89th question of the session. The statement we have been given is some flowers are apples, some apples are stones. कुछ flowers आपके apples हैं और कुछ आपके apples जो है वो stones हैं. In regard of this, the conclusion what they had made you here is the first conclusion is no flower is stone, कोई flower stone नहीं है. All apples are stored, सारी apples आपके stone है. Some stones are flowers, कुछ स्टोन्स आपके फ्लावर्स हैं और कुछ कोई भी एप्पल आपके फ्लावर नहीं है. लेट्स गो अहेड विद ऑप्शन हियर. So here with a conclusion, the first conclusion is no flowers is stone. Second conclusion is all apples are stone. Third is some stones are flowers. And the fourth is no apple is flower. Option A is only either one or third follow. B is none follow. C is only one and fourth follow. And the D is only the second and the third follow. According to the condition here that they had asked you here, as that since both the statement or premises are particular, so no conclusion will be follow here, since we can say that none follow here, that as I told you in the starting of this session that they are that they are negative or they are particular, the premises or the statement are particular or negative, then none follow, none of these the answer would be. Now moving ahead with another question, that is your question number 90th question of the session, and the statement we have all leaves are papers, सारे leaves आपके papers हैं, and some papers are picture here, and the conclusion one is all pictures are paper, second is all pictures are leaves, third is some leaves are pictures, and fourth is no leaves is a picture. The options we have here is, as you can see, the option A is only third and fourth follows, B is only second and third follows, C is none of these, and the D is only the third follow. According to the condition, if I'm talking about here, clearly here the middle term is papers, as you can see, okay, and the middle term is paper. So now the first premises is an A type preposition and that distributes the subjects only, so the middle term papers forming the predicate is not distributed. The second premises is an one type preposition and that distribute neither the subject nor the predicate, so the middle term papers forming the subject is not distributed, and since the middle term is not distributed even once in the premises, so no conclusion will be followed. And with that we have an option that we will have third and fourth, second and third follow, none of these, and the only third follow, so that for that sake we have an option C will be the right answer, that is the right answer for the question here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 91th question of this session here. The statement has been given that some trees are buses, कुछ trees आपकी buses हैं, all buses are hats, सारी की सारी buses जो है वो आपकी hats हैं. इस क्वेश्चन की बात करती हूँ तो ये क्वेश्चन आपका SBI PO के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज. कंक्लूजन 1 is some trees are hats, second is some hats are trees, third is all hats are buses, and the fourth is some buses are hats. So here are the options that we can follow. The option is only second, third and fourth follows, B is all follow, C is none of follow, and the D is only one, second and fourth follow. With regard of that, we have an option D will be the right answer, जिसमें only first, second and the third, fourth follow here, because in this the clearly the Venn diagram that will represent here, as you can see, this is your B, the buses, this is your H, and then this is your somewhat T, that is trees. So this is here the clearly you can see where T indicates the trees and B indicates the buses, and H indicates the hats. Since T and hats are common in area, and so one will be follow, and since H does not lie entirely within B, so the third does not follow, and B has common area with the H, so the third follows, and first, second and fourth will be follow here, the third will not follow. So the next question we have is 92th question of the session, and the statement we have is some trucks are scooters and no scooter is cycle, and this question has been asked on the back PO question paper, so that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about. So the conclusion is, the first conclusion is no truck is cycle, second is no scooter is truck, third is some trucks are cycles, and fourth is some scooters are truck here. The option we have is only fourth follow, only first and third follow, none follow, and only one and second and fourth follow here. Okay, so according to the condition, according to the questions here, so clearly the Venn diagram that are possible for this, we have the first diagram that is possible with your this T, and this is S, and this is of course the C here, that is cycle. The second possibility what they had arrived here is your this is C, this is T, and this is S here. So this is the second possibility. From this one we can say that the first and the fourth follow, and from the third one this we can say that third and fourth follow here. Okay, so for that sake the solution is to common both the above. This Venn diagram is only the fourth follows, क्योंकि दोनों में ही आपका फोर्थ फॉलो हो रहा है. पहले वाले में बोल रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट और फोर्थ फॉलो होगा, ठीक है, और सेकेंड वाले में बोल रहे हैं कि थर्ड और फोर्थ फॉलो होगा, तो दोनों में कॉमन जो है वो फोर्थ फॉलो होगा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस अगर मैं बात करती हूँ तो वेयर वी कैन से दैट कि ओनली फोर्थ फॉलो. ओके, सो दैट द सोल्यूशन वी हैव अ कॉमन इज ओनली फोर्थ फॉलो, एंड दैट इज ऑप्शन ए विल बी द राइट आंसर, दैट इज ओनली फोर्थ फॉलो. इस तरह से हम उसको वेरी करेंगे और उसको आंसर करेंगे, एंड इफ कोई डिफिकल्टी लगती है तो विल जस्ट ड्रॉ द डायग्राम एंड वी कैन सॉल्व दैट. Now moving ahead with 93rd question of the session, and the 93rd question we have the statement we have is all papers are bags, no bag is green. सारे पेपर्स आपके बैग्स हैं और जो कोई भी बैग ऐसा नहीं है जो ग्रीन है. इस क्वेश्चन की भी अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये भी बैंक पीओ के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज. द कंक्लूजन वी हैव इज, द फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन इज नो पेपर इज ग्रीन, कोई पेपर ग्रीन नहीं है. सेकेंड है नो पेपर आर ग्रीन, सम पेपर्स आर ग्रीन, कुछ पेपर ग्रीन है. सम ग्रीन्स आर पेपर्स, तो कुछ आपके ग्रीन पेपर हैं, और सम बैग्स आर पेपर्स, कुछ बैग्स आपके पेपर्स हैं. द ऑप्शन वी हैव इज ईदर सेकेंड और थर्ड फॉलो, या तो सेकेंड और थर्ड फॉलो हो करेगा, या तो सिर्फ फर्स्ट और फोर्थ फॉलो करेगा, या तो फर्स्ट और फोर्थ फॉलो करेगा. एंड इवन दो सो फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ फॉलो करेगा, एंड ईदर दे विल बी हैविंग नन ऑफ दिस. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन हियर with the regard of the statement, as we can see that, okay, so here that clearly the we will show, or we will draw a Venn diagram here कि जो ये आपका पेपर है. okay, so this is all what we can say is these all are bag, all papers are bag, and this is what we have is green. So here clearly the Venn diagram that shows is since P and G are the disjoint here, where P and this is a G here. These were the two disjoints, so the first follow while second and third do not. Okay, so since P and B have a common area and that fourth follows, so we can say that the first and the fourth follow here, and the answer should be the first and the fourth. And the option we have either second or third, first or fourth, first or third, first or fourth, or none of these. So we have an option C will be the right answer. Only first and fourth follows here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 94th question of the session here. And the question we have is your the statement is that all apples are brinjal. सारे के सारे apples आपके brinjals हैं. All brinjals are lady fingers. सारे के सारे brinjals आपके lady fingers हैं. And all lady fingers are oranges. सारे के सारे lady fingers आपके oranges हैं. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये आपका SBI PO के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज. द कंक्लूजन फर्स्ट वी हैव इज सम ऑरेंजेस आर ब्रिंजल्स. कुछ ऑरेंजेस आपके ब्रिंजल्स हैं. ऑल ब्रिंजल्स आर एप्पल्स. सारे ब्रिंजल्स आपके एप्पल्स हैं. सम एप्पल्स आर ऑरेंजेस. कुछ एप्पल्स आपके ऑरेंजेस हैं. एंड ऑल लेडी फिंगर्स आर एप्पल्स. ऑल लेडी फिंगर्स आर एप्पल्स. सो देयर द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ द वेन डायग्राम इज फर्स्ट आपका रहेगा A, this is B, that is brinjal, and this is L, ladyfinger, and this is somewhat L से common, and that is your oranges. पहला वेन डायग्राम तो ये पॉसिबल है. सेकेंड पॉसिबल डायग्राम क्या है कि पहले तो A रहेगा, उसके बाद ये B गया, उसके बाद ये L गया, और जो ये आपका जो ऑरेंजेस है वो सॉर्ट ऑफ बी से थोड़ा सा कॉमन है, ये एक बन गया. थर्ड आपका क्या है कि ये एक और है, उसके बाद ब्रिंजल है, फिर लेडी फिंगर है, और ये तीनों से कॉमन है आपका ऑरेंजेस. तो ये इस तरह के तीन पॉसिबल डायग्राम बन गए. लेट्स गो अहेड हियर. So here we have an option here, all up follow, or only first and third follow, and here none follow, and either first or third follow here. With regard of this here, from this clearly we can say that the following three possible Venn diagram has been shown here. And from the first diagram that what we had drawn is none of the conclusion follows here. Second case आपसे only the first conclusion will follow, and for the third case के लिए only the conclusion first and the third follow. So for that combined solution, we can say that they are none follow, and for that sake we have an option C will be the right answer, that is none follow here. Moving ahead with another question, that is the question number 95th question of the session. In each of the questions below are given two statements followed by the four conclusions numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to take the two given statements to be true even if they seem to be a variance from the commonly known fact. That read all the conclusion and then decide which of the conclusion logically follows the two given statement disregarding commonly known fact. Moving ahead with another question, and that is the question number 96th question here for the session. The question we have is the statement all greens are blue. सारे green blue है. All blue are white. सारे blue white है. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं SBI PO के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया, and that is also an important one here. The conclusion first we'll have is some blue are green. कुछ blue आपके green है, कुछ white आपके green है, and here some greens are not white. कुछ greens आपके white नहीं है, and all are white are blue. कुछ सारे के सारे आपके white आपके blue हैं. तो in regard of that we have a caution here, that is only first and fourth follow, B is only first and third follow, and C is all follow, and the D is only first and second follow. If I'm talking about this question, as I told you, this has been asked in the SBI PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise here. So where we can see that green and blue, तो we have a diagram here that is all green. हर पूरा सारे के सारे green जो है वो सारे के सारे blue हैं. Okay, and all blue or white, सारे के सारे जो blue हैं वो सारे के सारे आपके white है. तो ये आपका Venn diagram possible बनता है. Here G and B have some areas in the common, and so that first follow, and G and W have some area in common, and that is second follow, and third does not always hold. So since B lies within the W, and so the fourth does not follow here. So for that sake we have an option that is only first and second follow, and that is your option D will be the right answer for this question here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 97th question of the session here. As you can see the question we have, the statement we have is all windows are rods. सारे के सारे windows आपके rods हैं. Some rods are frames. कुछ rods आपके frames हैं. Conclusion one is all frames are rods. सारे frames आपके rods हैं. All frames are windows. सारे frames आपके windows हैं. Some windows are frame. कुछ windows आपके frame हैं. और no window is a frame. और कोई window भी आपकी frame नहीं है. ऑप्शंस के गो थ्रू करते हैं. ऑप्शन ए इज नॉन फॉलो, ओनली सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉलो, ओनली फर्स्ट फॉलो एंड ओनली ईदर फर्स्ट एंड द फोर्थ फॉलो हियर. विद रिगार्ड ऑफ दैट अगर हम मैं बात करती हूँ क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से, here the first premises is of a type and proposition and distribution of the subject. So no middle term is a rod of forming, that rod of forming that its a predicate is not distributed. And for that second premises is of one type propositions, and that distributes neither the subject and nor the predicate as well. So the middle term rod forming the subject is not distributed. Since the middle term is not distributed even once and in the premises, so no conclusion will be followed here. So we'll go with a none follow, and that is option A will be the right answer for this question here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 98th question of the session. 98th question of the session, here we have the statement we have is some clothes are marble, some marbles are bags. कुछ clothes आपके marbles हैं, कुछ marbles आपके bag हैं. With regard of that, the conclusion we have is the first conclusion is no cloth is a bag, all marbles are bag, some bags are clothes, and no marble is a cloth. So the options we have is only either first and fourth follow, none follow, only either first or third follow, and only either first and second follow here. With regard of that, since both the premises are particular, so though no conclusion will be follow, and for that sake we have an option, that is option B will be the right answer, that is none follow here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 99th question of the session. And as you can see, the 99th question of the session, the statement we have some pillows are curtains, कुछ pillows आप curtain है, no curtains is a table, कोई curtain आपका table नहीं है. Conclusion one is no pillow is a table, कोई pillow table नहीं है. Some pillows are not tables, कुछ pillows आपके table नहीं है. Some curtains are pillow, कुछ curtains आपके pillow हैं. No curtain is a pillow, कोई curtain आपका pillow नहीं है. ऑप्शन है, option A is only first or third follow, B is none follow, only second and third follow, or all follow. According to this, we can gone through clearly for that given data of the two Venn diagram possible, and those two diagram we have. First, the possible Venn diagram is P intersection C, and this is T alone. The second we have is T, and then this is P, and of course this is C here. So these were the two. From this we can say that conclusion is first, second and third follow. इसके हिसाब से first या तो second या तो third follow होगा, और इसके according for that second one we will say that कि second या फिर third follow होगा. Okay, so for second and third, and the solution common to all is your second and third, as you can gone through with. Okay, second and third follow इसमें common है. So for that sake we have an option that will be the second and third will be followed. Only second and third will be followed. So first and third नहीं होगा, none follow होगा नहीं. First, second and third follow, and that is option C will be the right answer for this question here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 100th question of the session here, and that is of course we had to cross the century as well. The 100th question of the session statement we have is some frogs are bricks. कुछ frogs आपके bricks हैं, एंड ऑल ब्रेक्स आर केक, सारे ब्रेक्स आपके क्रेक्स हैं. ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो SBI PO के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज. कंक्लूजन वन इज सम केक्स आर नॉट फ्रॉग्स, कुछ केक्स आपके फ्रॉग्स नहीं है. सम केक्स आर फ्रॉग्स, कुछ केक्स आपके फ्रॉग्स हैं. नो केक इज फ्रॉग, कोई केक आपका फ्रॉग नहीं है. ऑल फ्रॉग्स आर केक, एंड ऑल जितने भी फ्रॉग्स हैं वो केक्स हैं. ऑप्शन ए है ऑल फॉलो, नन फॉलो, and only first, second or fourth follow, and only first and second follow. According to this condition here, clearly it will draw a diagram here first, and so that you will get the clear here concept here. So this is all breaks are, all breaks are cakes, so we'll go ahead with cakes here. And then they had told you some frogs are breaks, कुछ frogs आपके breaks हैं. So कुछ frogs आपके breaks है, it means it would be like that. So this is the possible Venn diagram here, and according to this, the clearly it follows the Venn diagram that some eggs are frogs and some are not, so that the conclusion first and second follow for this sake, and but conclusion third and fourth cannot follow. तो second और third आपका follow होगा, sorry first और second आपका follow होगा, और आपका second third और आपका fourth नहीं होगा. So first and second will be follow, and for that sake we have an option first and second, that is option D will be the right answer for this question here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 101th question of the session here. 101th question of the session, the statement we have is no parrot is crow. कोई parrot आपका crow नहीं है. All crows are bats. सारे crows आपके bats हैं. इस question की हम बात करते हैं, ये बैंक पे के question paper में पूछा गया, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about. So the conclusion one is, the first conclusion is some bats are parrots. कुछ bats आपके parrots हैं. All bats are parrots. Second conclusion, some bats are crows, and some bats are not crows here. With regard of that, if I'm talking about the option, we have only third and fourth follow, only first and second follow, none follow, and only second and third and fourth follow here. With regard of that, if I'm talking about the parrot and the crow and as well as the bat, so there are the two possible conditions. Like what they had told you, all crows, all crows are bats, okay, and no parrot is crow. तो वैसी बात है, so we'll write it down like that. या फिर सम, क्योंकि कोई क्रॉस आपका पैरट नहीं है, बट फिर दैट से अगर मैं बोलूँ तो ठीक है, बट दे डोंट से ना कि कोई भी पैरट आपका बैट नहीं है, तो वी कैन ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम आल्सो. With this, there are two diagram that is possible as I had drawn here. For the first figure here, it shows and it tells that कि third and fourth follow कर रहा है, so third और fourth follow कर रहा है, and for that sake here, this Venn diagram shows that first, third and of course fourth will be follow. तो they had told you this, तो अगर हम दोनों में common की बात करते हैं, so the common solution is third and fourth, and third and fourth both. So the third and fourth will be only satisfy and only follow. So third and fourth, first and second none follow, second, third and fourth. So second, third and fourth वाला नहीं होगा, and for that sake we have an option only the third and fourth will be follow here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 102th question of the session. The statement we have is, some students are brilliant and Sushma is a student here. So conclusion one will be, the first is some students are dull, Sushma is brilliant, Sushma is dull, and students are usually brilliant. These were the 1, 2, 3, 4 conclusions here. According to this, the options we have is only second follow, only first follow, none of these, and all follow. With regard of this, clearly the area that is not common to the students and the brilliant, and that of course will be representing the students in the Venn diagram. So the conclusion for that sake we have an option first will be the as answer, and that for that sake we have an option first will follow. So here they will follow first, and for that sake we have an option only second follow, only first follow, none follow, all follow, and that is option A, B will be the right answer, that is only first follow here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 103rd question of the session. The question we have is, the statement we have is, all rats are crows. सारे rats आपके cows हैं, and no cows is white. कोई cow आपकी white नहीं है. इस question की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये बैंक पे के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज. कंक्लूजन है आपका, कंक्लूजन इज नो वाइट इज रैट. कोई वाइट आपका रैट नहीं है, और नो रैट इज वाइट. कोई रैट आपका वाइट भी नहीं है. सम वाइट्स आर रैट्स. कुछ वाइट्स आपके रैट हैं, एंड ऑल काउज आर रैट. तो सारे काउज जो है वो आपके रैट्स हैं. ऑप्शंस वी हैव इज, here none follow. B option is only first and second, fourth follow, none of these, and only the second and the fourth follow. With regard of that, clearly we'll draw a here the diagram, get some all rats are cows. So what they had told you, all rats are cows, and of course no cows is white, so white is here. So with respect to that, clearly the adjoining Venn diagram that we had drawn here, since R and W are disjoint, so the first and second follow while third not. तो first और second follow करेगा, पर third आपका नहीं करेगा. Okay, पहली तो चीज़ ये. Second, since C does not lie entirely within R, so the fourth also does not follow here. So with regard of that, if I'm talking about, so here the first and second only follow, and for that sake we have an option that is your इसमें फर्स्ट और सेकेंड फॉलो होगा, और फर्स्ट एंड और आपका सेकेंड इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है, तो इसमें ऑप्शन आपका जो होगा वो दैट इज नन ऑफ दीज। नन फॉलो का मतलब जिसमें कोई फॉलो भी नहीं करेगा, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है, सो विल गो विथ नन ऑफ दीज हियर। Moving ahead with another question, that is your question number 104th question of the session here. 104th question of the session, the statement we have is some camels are ships, no ship is a boat. सब कुछ camels आपके ships हैं और कोई भी ship आपका boat नहीं है। The conclusion we have here, some ships are camels, कुछ ships आपके camels हैं, some boats are camels, कुछ boats आपके camels हैं। Third conclusion is some camels are not boat, कुछ camels आपके boat नहीं भी हैं। All boats are camels, सारे boats आपके जो है वो camels हैं। Options we have is only second and third follow, only first follow, only first and second follow, and only first and third follow. According to this condition here, first we'll draw a diagram. For this Venn diagram we have two possible conditions. First is here, this is a camel, this is ships, and this is your boat here. This is the first possible diagram. The second is boat, ship, and then we boat, camels, and then we have a ships here. So with regard of the first figure here, one diagram, this will tell you first or third follow karega, and for the second one here is your first, second, and of course third follow. So here the common solution we have is first and a third. So this is first and this is third, so the common is first and third, so we'll go with ahead that only second and third nahi, only first follow no, first and second nahi, say first and third, and that is of course that is option D will be the right answer for this question here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 105th question of the session here. The question here we have the seventh statement we have is some trees are some trees are pens, कुछ trees आपके pens हैं, all pens are erasers, सारे के सारे pens आपके erasers हैं. This question has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. The conclusion first we have is all erasers are pens, सारे जैसे आपके pen हैं. All trees are pens, सारे trees आपके pens हैं. Some trees which are not pen and eraser, कुछ trees आपके जो है वो pens और eraser नहीं है. Some erasers are trees, कुछ erasers आपके trees हैं. Option we have is only say third and fourth follow, none of these, all follow, and only the fourth follow here. According to this condition, if you can gone through with that, so with regard of this conclusion we have to follow some of the questions and some of the pattern that what we are following here since last. So since we will draw a diagram here, and for that sake we'll go ahead with this, and where what they had told you, all pens or eraser, and what they had told you, some trees are pen, so some trees are pen, so they'll conclude like this. Okay, so with this diagram, since E and T do not lie entirely within P, so neither first and second follow, and since some area are common in the T and E lies outside P, so the here will be the third will be follow. Okay, and for that sake also, and E and T has common area, so fourth also follow, so third and fourth will be follow, and first and second will not follow at all, so third and fourth will be follow, that will be the answer. Third and fourth, none of these, all follow, or only fourth follow. With regard of this, if I'm talking about, so the option A will be the right answer, that is only third and fourth follow here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 106th question of the session here. And as you can see, this is the question, the statement what they had given you is all chairs laugh, सारे chairs आपकी laugh करती है, and some birds laugh, कुछ birds हैं वो laugh करती है. The first conclusion for this we have is all chairs are birds, सारे chairs आपके birds हैं. Some birds are chair, कुछ birds आपके chair है. Those who do not laugh are not chairs, जो हंसते नहीं है वो chair नहीं है. Some birds do not laugh, कुछ birds आपके laugh नहीं करते. Option A है only fourth follow, none follow, only second follow, and only first follow. According to this condition, according to this question, if I'm talking about, so here with regard of these, each and every question is different here. So since the middle term is not distributed even once in the premises, so no conclusion will be follow here, and for that sake we have an option E will be the right will be the right answer, that is none follow here, and that is B will be the right answer, that is none follow. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 107th question of the session here. 107th question of the session that we have is statement we have is no educationalists are researchers. That is, has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper in respect to the competition if I'm talking about. So here with regard of that, the all researchers are teachers. सारे के सारे researchers teacher है. The premises has been given here, and the conclusion first will be no teacher is researcher. कोई भी teacher आपका researcher नहीं है. Second is no teacher is educationalist. कोई भी आपका जो कोई भी teacher आपका educationalist नहीं है. Some researchers are teacher, कुछ researchers आपके teacher है, and some teachers are researchers, कुछ teachers आपके researchers है. According to this condition, we have an option only second follow, none follow, all follow, and third and fourth follow. According to this condition, we have a possible two Venn diagram, that is your what they had told you, all researchers are teachers and that they are not educationalists. First diagram is possible this. Second possible क्या है कि आपके जो कुछ आपके जो रिसर्चर्स है वो टीचर्स हैं और कुछ टीचर्स जो हैं वो आपके, क्योंकि इन्होंने ऐसा बोला नहीं है तो दे कैन बी योर एजुकेशनलिस्ट हियर. सो विद द फर्स्ट हियर फॉर दैट क्लियरली दिस वर द डायग्राम, एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट इट वुड बी सेइंग दैट कि सेकेंड वाला थर्ड and fourth follow करेगा, and for the second one they told you about the third and fourth follow करेगा. तो दोनों में कॉमन क्या है, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ कॉमन है. सो फॉर दैट सेक वी हैव एन ऑप्शन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ विल बी द राइट आंसर. तो ओनली सेकंड फॉलो नहीं, नन ऑफ दीज नहीं, ऑल अबव ऑल फॉलो नहीं, ऑल द थर्ड and fourth, and that is option D will be the right answer for this question here. Now we're moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 108th question of the session here. The question, the statement we have is all bags are chalk. सारे bags आपके chalks हैं. All chalks are bottles. सारे chalks आपके bottles हैं. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये आपका SBI क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है. That is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. SBI होगा, and that is conclusion is, first conclusion is some bottles are bags, all bags are bottles. This is the second conclusion कि कुछ bottles आपके bag हैं, सारे के सारे bags आपके bottles हैं, सारी bottles आपके bags हैं, और some chalks are not bags, कुछ chalks आपके bags नहीं हैं. Regard of that, we have an option only first, second, fourth follow, all follow, only second, third, fourth follow, and none of these here. With regard of this, we'll draw a diagram here, and for that sake we will form a conclusion कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, that all bags are chalks and all chalks are bottles. Okay, so BO का initially लिखा है. Clearly it follows from the Venn diagram that that the only conclusion, what conclusion follows is first of follow, second follow, and fourth follow. So the first, second, and fourth will be the right answer for this question, and that is first, second, and fourth. That is option A will be the right answer for this question here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is the question number 109th question of the session here. The question it's the statement we have is no fan is shirt, कोई fan shirt नहीं, all shirts are trousers, सारे shirts आपके trousers हैं. Conclusion one है all fans are trousers, सारे fans आपके trousers हैं. Second is no fan is trouser, कोई fan आपका trouser नहीं है. Third है some trousers are shirts, कुछ trousers आपके shirts हैं. Fourth है all trousers are shirts, सारे trousers आपके shirts हैं. Option A है आपका only first follow, B is none of these, C is only second follow, and only third and fourth follow here. With regard of this, if I'm talking about, so where what they had told you, they are the possible two Venn diagram. What you can say is your all shirts are trouser, okay, and all shirts are trouser, but the fan is different here. And the second Venn diagram what they had formed is all shirts are trouser and some trousers are your fan. So this will be conclusion here, and from the first figure we can say that the second, and it follows second and third, and from the second figure it will just say you that it will follow the third one here, and for that sake with the common solution we have is the third only, and that the third will be the right answer for this question, and that is only first follow nahi, none of these, and only second follow nahi, only third and fourth follow nahi. So of course only third follow nahi यहाँ पे option, so that is option B will be the right answer, that is none of these here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 110th question of the session. 110th question of the session, the statement we have been given is some cubs are tiger and some tigers are goats. कुछ cubs आपके tigers हैं और कुछ tigers आपके goats हैं. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये बैंक पीओ के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज. द फर्स्ट कंक्लूजन इज सम cubs are goats. कुछ cubs आपके goats हैं. नो cub is goat. कोई cub आपका goat नहीं है. ऑल cubs are goats. सारे cubs आपके goat हैं और ऑल goats are cubs. सारे goats आपके cubs हैं. The options we have is only either first or second follow, only either second or third follow, none of these, and only either second and fourth follow. With regard of that, if I'm talking about here, so in respect to that, since the two premises are particular, so no conclusion will be follow here, and for that sake we have an option, that is your none of these here, and that is option C will be the right answer for this question. Now moving ahead with the another one, and that is your another question, that we will be going ahead with another question, and that is your question number 111th question of the session here. And the 111th question of the session, we have the statement we have is some coolers are watches. कुछ coolers आपके watches हैं. No watch is bed. कोई watch आपका bed नहीं है. तो conclusion क्या बोला गया? पहला है no watch is cooler, no watch is cooler, and the second is no cooler is watch. Third conclusion is some watches are beds and some coolers are bed. The options we have is only either second or third follow, only first and sixth, fourth follow, only either second and fourth follow, and none follow. With regard of this, so two possible figure diagram we have. For the Venn diagram we have, so first will be this, that is some coolers watches and no watch is bed here. And the second, what the possibility is, that is this is your bed, this is your coolers, and this is your of course watches here. So this is this follows here. From the first one, the none of the conclusion will be follow here, and for the second one we have a fourth one will be follow for this accordingly. And for the common solution, then none of the follows, because दोनों में कोई common है नहीं, इसमें none of the following है और इसमें आपका है fourth है, तो दोनों में कोई common नहीं है, so none of the follows and none follows will be the right answer. That is option D will be the right answer for this question here. Now we'll move ahead with another question, and that is your question number 112th question of the session here. As you can see, the 112th question of the session, the statement we have is some men are goat. कुछ men आपके goats हैं. All goats are jackals. सारे goats आपके jackals हैं. This question has been asked in the bank PO question paper here, and that is also an important one with respect to the wise here. The conclusion one will be the some men are jackals. कुछ men आपके jackals हैं. Some jackals are men. कुछ jackals आपके men हैं. All jackals are goats. सारे jackals आपके goats हैं. और some goats are men. कुछ goats आपके men हैं. The options we have is none of these, fall follow, only fourth follow, only first or second follow. With regard of that, if I'm talking about, so here the diagram we will be, the possible diagram is all goats are jackals, and they had some men's are goat, so some men's are goat, it means some men's are goat here. So this is the possible diagram where since jackals and J and M that has a common area, both first and second follow for that sake, and for the G and M have a common, that is for the fourth follow. So with regard of that, we will have first, second, and a fourth follow here accordingly. And however the J does not lie to entirely within the G, and the third does not follow, इसमें third नहीं follow करेगा totally. And with regard of that, so first, second, and fourth will be follow here, and for that sake first, second, and fourth here we don't have an option here, and that is for that sake we have an option A will be the right answer, that is none of these here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 113th question of the session. 113 question of the session here, that the statement we have is all sparrows are quails and no quails is sparrow. Conclusion what we have is no sparrow is a parrot, some parrots are some sparrows are parrot, all quails are sparrow, and some parrots are sparrow here. The options we have is only second and third follow, only first follow, none of these, and only the second and the fourth follow here. With regard of this, if I'm talking about here, so we'll go ahead with the conclusion, and we'll just make it some some sparrows are quills, and only here the parrot, no quails are parrot. So this is a possible diagram that we can draw here with respect to this question. Since S and P are the disjoint, then so first follows while second and fourth do not, and K does not lie entirely within the so S, and that so the third does not follow, and for that sake we have an option only the first follow here, and for that sake we have an first follow, and that is option first, second and third follow, and only first follow, none of these, and only second and third fourth follow, and that is option B will be the right answer. That is only first follow here for the question. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 114th question of the session. The question we have is, the statement we have is, all typists are stenographers. सारे typist आपके stenographers हैं. Some stenographers are boys. कुछ stenographers आपके boys हैं. The conclusion what they had given you is all boys are stenographers. सारे boys आपके stenographer हैं. All boys are typists. सारे boys आपके typist हैं. Some typists are boys. कुछ typist आपके boys हैं. No typist is a boy. कोई typist आपका boy नहीं है. The option A we have is only the fourth, only the second follow, only the first follow, none follow, and only the second and the third follow. With regard of this question, if I'm talking about here, since the middle term is not distributed even once in the premises, so no conclusion will be follow, and for that sake option B, C will be the right answer. That is no one, none follow here. Now moving ahead with the 115th question of the session here, that in each of the question below are given two statements followed by the 5 conclusions numbered A, B, C, D, E, and you have to take the 2 given statements to be true even if they seems to be at variance from the common known fact. Read the conclusion and then decide which of the given conclusion logically follows from the 2 given statement. Now moving ahead with the question here. Here for this 116th question of the session that we have, the statement we have is, all novels are stories. सारे novels आपके stories हैं. All stories are songs. सारे stories आपके songs हैं. The conclusion first is, all novels are songs, and all some novels are songs. कुछ novels songs हैं. Some songs are novels. कुछ songs आपके novel हैं. All stories are not songs. कुछ stories आपके songs नहीं हैं. And none of this here. So there are the possible 2 diagram. पहला है आपका N, this is S, and this is the song here, SO. Second possible condition आपका है, like I will draw here, सबसे पहले song, then there is your B, and yeah, so with respect to the y's here, so here this is the first possibility that what is here. So clearly, since the area for the novels that is in lies entirely within the area of the songs, that is so it shows that all the novels are the songs, so some songs are novels, and but only the one conclusion has to be followed for the most illogical conclusion, and that is all novels are song. And for that sake we have an option, that is option A will be the right answer for this question, and that is all novels are songs here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is the question number 117th question of the session. And the question we have, the statement we have is, all belts are socks and all shirts are belts. The conclusion first is, all shirts are socks, some belts are shirts, no shirt is socks, some socks are shirts, and none of these. According to the condition here, we'll draw some of the diagram here, that is all shirts are belts and all belts are socks here. So this is the possible condition, and here S denotes the shirts and B denotes the belts and S denotes the socks. Then clearly the conclusion for that sake conclusion 1 will follow with the same explanation that what we had done in the before here only. And for that sake we have an option here, that is all shirts are sock here. That will be the right answer here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is the question number 118th question of the session. Statement that we have is, some tables are curtains, कुछ tables आपके curtains हैं. Some tables are toys, कुछ tables आपके toys हैं. The conclusion we have is, all tables which are not curtains are toys, some curtains are toys, and there are some tables which are either curtain or not toy, and that is all tables are either curtain or toys or none of these. With regard of this question, if I'm talking about here from the conclusion here what they had mentioned with respect to the question, so with regard to that, again from the where we can draw a conclusion, since both the premises are particular, so no conclusion will be follow here, and for that sake we have an option E will be the right answer, that is none of these here for the sake. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 119th question of the session. And the statement we have is, Mansa is a player and all players are tall, and the conclusion one is Mansa is a table, Mansa is tall, all tall men are players, tall men are not players, Mansa is not tall, and none of these. According to the condition, again we'll draw a diagram here. First is your Mansa, then of course they are players, and then of course they are tall here. So with regard of that, from the Venn diagram, that we have an option A will be follow with the what we had explained in the next coming questions, that what we had done here. For that sake, we have an option A will be the right answer for the sake, and that is Mansa is tall here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 128th question of the session. So here with the 120th question of the session, the statement we have is all businessmen are dishonest and all businessmen are fraudulent. Conclusion we have is either all the fraudulent persons are dishonest or all the dishonest are fraudulent. B is some dishonest persons are, and that is fraudulent, and the C is that generally fraudulent persons are dishonest, and that is fraud, dishonesty go together here. With regard of this, if I'm talking about, so yes, we'll go ahead and we'll draw a diagram here, and that is some dishonest and fraudulent are businessman. So this is the possible diagram here. Clearly being dishonest and the fraudulent is a common quality for a particular class of people, and the Venn diagram with that what it represents is, so for that sake B alone is the logical conclusion for that it will follow, and that is option B will be the right answer. That is some dishonest persons are fraudulent. कुछ dishonest person जो होते हैं वो fraudulent होते हैं, हर businessman fraudulent नहीं होता. Well, moving ahead with another question, that is your question number 121th question of the session here. The statement we have is all men are vertebrates. This question has been asked in the assistant grade question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I'm talking about. And all men are vertebrates and some mammals are vertebrate as well. And with regard of that, the conclusion what they had given you here is your question. As according to the question, the statement we have is all men's are vertebrates, some mammals are vertebrate, and the conclusion is all men are mammals, all mammals are men, some vertebrate are mammals, and all vertebrates are men, and none of these. According to the condition here, if I'm talking about, so there are the two possibilities of Venn diagram. First is your here, that is ME, and that is vertebrate, and the conclusion for the male here. And the second diagram is possible, that is your ME, and that is comes under the vertebrate category, and this is the male category is coming on like that. So isme for this clearly from the given data, that either in the Venn diagram that we had shown, that can follow some conclusion, that is C, which from the both is the most logical conclusion here, and that is some vertebrate, some mammal, and that is option C will be the right answer for this question here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 122th question of the session here. The question we have is statement all knowledge is good, सारी knowledge अच्छी होती है, और knowledge is difficult, सारी knowledge आपकी difficult होती है. The conclusion we have is an option, that is some good things are difficult, कुछ good things आपकी difficult होती हैं, all difficult things are knowledge, all good things are difficult, and easy things are not knowledge. So here with regard of this, if I'm talking about, so we'll draw a diagram that we can gone through with, and for that sake, all good, that is difficult, and that is, yeah, of course this is knowledge here. And for this sake, clearly A is the most logical conclusion from the C here, and for that gone through it, and for that sake we have an option A will be the right answer, that is some good things are difficult here. And for now moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 123rd question of the session, that if the statement some teachers are not learned, what is a false, which of the following is false here? So all teachers are learned, some teachers are learned, all learned people are teachers, and none of these. And according to this question here, we go ahead with learned and teachers, so we will make a diagram here, that is all teachers are learned here, and for that sake some teachers are not learned is a false, means all teachers are learned. So but this does not mean that all learned being our teacher, as shown in this diagram here. So we'll go with option D will be false here for this, and option for that that sake, we have an option here, and in this particular question what we have to go through with, in some of the questions we just have to go through with, and here all learned beings are teachers. So here all learned beings are teachers, so that is option C will be the right answer for this question here. And that is the false statement for this in terms of this, if I'm talking about here. Moving ahead with 124th question of the session here. So 124th question of the session, that in each of the question below there are some statements followed by the four conclusion, that is numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4. Read all the conclusion and then decide which of the given conclusion logically follows from the given statement that distinguish that disregard commonly known fact. And the 126th question of the session we have, the statement is given is all teachers are doctors, सारे teachers doctors हैं, all doctors are engineers, so और सारे doctors engineers हैं, and all engineers are students, सारे engineers जितने भी हैं वो students हैं. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये बैंक पीओ के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पेपर है, आपका एग्जामिनेशन पेपर है. Conclusion that we have, the first conclusion we have, some students are teachers, कुछ students आपके teachers हैं. All doctors are student, कुछ doctors आपके student हैं. Some engineers are teachers, कुछ engineers आपके teachers हैं. And all doctors are teachers, सारे doctors आपके teacher हैं. The options we have is only first and second follow, only first and third follow, none of these, and either one or two or and third follow. According to the condition what they had demanded here, so we'll just draw a diagram. As it told कि all teachers are doctor and all doctors are engineer and all engineers are student. So this is the diagram what they had made here. So here S has some areas in the common with D, and so far first will follow, and since D lies entirely within S, and so second also follow. Since E has some areas in the common with D, so the third follows, and the D does not lie entirely within T, so fourth does not follow. तो इसमें जो फॉलो करेंगे वो आपके फर्स्ट फॉलो करेंगे, सेकंड फॉलो करेंगे और आपका थर्ड फॉलो करेगा, और फोर्थ जो है वो आपका फॉलो नहीं करेगा. सो विद रिगार्ड फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड विल बी द राइट आंसर. ओनली फर्स्ट सेकंड फॉलो, ओनली फर्स्ट थर्ड फॉलो, none of these, and either first second or third follow. So इसमें वो ऑप्शन नहीं है जो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ओनली हो, and for that sake we have an option C will be the right answer for this question, because the none of these will be the right answer for here. Now we'll move ahead with another question, and that is your question number 126th question of the session here, that we have to discuss, and that is the question, is your, as you can see, this 126th question, the statement we have is some birds are insects. कुछ birds आपके insects हैं. All birds are butterfly. सारी birds जो है वो butterfly है. All insects are snakes. सारे insects जो है वो आपके snakes हैं. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये SBI PO के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एंड द कंक्लूजन वी हैव इज सम स्नेक्स आर बर्ड्स. कुछ स्नेक्स आपके बर्ड्स हैं. सम बटरफ्लाइज आर इंसेक्ट्स. कुछ बटरफ्लाइज आपके इंसेक्ट्स हैं. सम स्नेक्स आर बटरफ्लाई. कुछ स्नेक्स आपके बटरफ्लाई हैं. एंड सम इंसेक्ट्स आर बर्ड्स. कुछ इंसेक्ट्स आपके बर्ड्स हैं. द ऑप्शन वी हैव इज, द ऑप्शन ए इज योर नन ऑफ दीज, नन फॉर. Option A is none follow, none of these, all above, and of course all follow, and only the fourth follow here. With regard of this, if I'm talking about here, so we have a birds, butterflies, snakes, and insects. So we'll go ahead with the Venn diagram. First we'll draw that. So there are the two concentric circles. इसमें से जो ये अंदर वाला है, this is your birds, this is your butterfly. Okay, this is your butterflies. एंड फिर एक आपका इंटरसेक्शन सी पार्ट होगा जो कि आपका ये आपका आएगा, दिस इज योर स्नेक्स. एंड फिर एक आपका जस्ट इंटरसेक्टिंग बोथ द थर्ड और तीनों सर्कल्स दैट वर नोन एज दिस वर द इंसेक्ट्स. ओके, so this is the diagram. This is some of the typical diagram or some of the complex diagram. So here, since SB, and that is S stands for snakes, B stands for birds, BU stands for butterfly, and of course I stands for insects. SN, B and U and B, I and B have some areas in the common, so all the four conclusions are follows here. So we'll go with all follow, and that is option C will be the right answer for this question here. And this is also an important one because this has been asked in the SBI question paper as well. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 127th question of the session. The statement we have is some bananas are apples. कुछ bananas आपके apple हैं. All apples are tomatoes. सारे apples tomato हैं. Some potatoes are tomatoes. कुछ potatoes आपके tomatoes हैं. The conclusion first is some bananas are tomatoes. Some potatoes are bananas. Some apples are potatoes, and some apples are banana. With regard of this, we have a three different Venn diagram that is possible for this here. And the first we will draw here. Okay, I will draw here first. Some all apples are tomatoes, and because some apples are bananas, and some this were bananas, and some apples are some tomatoes are your potatoes. So एक फिगर ये बनेगा. सेकेंड फिगर आपका बनेगा was somewhat मैं बना देती हूँ. ये some apples are tomatoes वाला तो सेम रहेगा, and some apples are your banana, and some potatoes are also apples, or apples or banana, तो potatoes. So this is the typical diagram. And एक आपका बनेगा, there are the two concentric circle A और T, apples and tomato, and कुछ आपके apples और potatoes भी हैं, और कुछ आपके these were the bananas. So this is the three typical figure here. Clearly for the first figure if I'm talking about, so here the conclusion what they had told you is कि first और fourth आपका follow करेगा. फ्रॉम द सेकेंड फिगर अगर हम बात करते हैं तो विद दिस वी कैन फाइंड इट आउट कि इसमें जो है पॉसिबिलिटीज़, वो पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है कि इसमें फर्स्ट थर्ड और एंड द फोर्थ वन विल बी फॉलो. तो इसमें फर्स्ट फोर्थ, इसमें फर्स्ट थर्ड और फोर्थ फॉलो करेगा. एंड विद रिगार्ड ऑफ द थर्ड फिगर, द थर्ड वेन डायग्राम दैट व्हाट वी हैड ड्रॉन हियर, सो उसके अगर हम अकॉर्डिंग बात करते हैं तो फ्रॉम द थर्ड कंक्लूजन व्हाट दे टोल्ड यू कि फर्स्ट फॉलो करेगा, सेकेंड फॉलो करेगा, थर्ड फॉलो करेगा, एज वेल एज फोर्थ भी फॉलो करेगा. सो द कॉमन सोल्यूशन जो है वो आपका देखो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट और फोर्थ है, इसमें भी फर्स्ट और फोर्थ है, और इसमें भी फर्स्ट और फोर्थ है. तो कॉमन क्या होगा, दैट विल बी द फर्स्ट एंड द फोर्थ हियर. So here we can say that for the first and the fourth follow, the common solution is that Now moving ahead with another question here for the next question, that is the question 128 question of the session. 128 क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सेशन, द स्टेटमेंट वी हैव इज ऑल बॉक्सेस आर पेन, सारे बॉक्सेस आपके पेन्स हैं, और सम बॉक्सेस आर जग्स, कुछ बॉक्सेस आपके जग्स हैं, और सम जग्स आर ग्लासेस, कुछ जग्स आपके ग्लासेस हैं. द कंक्लूजन वन इज सम ग्लासेस आर बॉक्सेस, कुछ ग्लासेस आपके बॉक्सेस हैं. नो ग्लास इज बॉक्स, कोई ग्लास आपका बॉक्स नहीं है. सम जग्स आर पैंस, कुछ जग्स आपके पैंस हैं. नो जग इज पैन, कोई जग आपका पैन नहीं है. विद रिगार्ड ऑफ दैट वी हैव एन ऑप्शन. The option we have is either first, second or the third follow. B is only the third follow, and the C is first and second follow, and D is none of these. With regard of that, we will go on through with the diagram here, and that will be the two possible Venn diagram is possible here. That is the B, this is B, then this is the intersection of J here, jugs, and is the instructions of classes. एक आपका ये बना और एक आपका बनेगा, this is B, and this is a B, and as well as this is J here. So with regard of that, clearly with the with this Venn diagram, the first one here, the conclusion, second and third are follows, and for this conclusion we have a first and third follow. So यहाँ पे जो common है वो आपका third है, तो third will be follow here. So let's go with combining the two, we have either first or second में से कोई एक, और third will be the follow. So we'll say that first or second में से कोई भी एक, और third will follow. So here either first or second or third follow, only third follow, only first and second follow, none of these. So we'll go with option A, that is either first or second and a third follows here. Moving ahead with another question, and that is your question number 129th question of the session here. The statement we have been given here is some books are paper, कुछ books आपके papers है. Some papers are cars, कुछ papers आपके cars है. No car is white, कोई car आपकी white नहीं है. This question has been asked in the bank PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise. The conclusion first we have is some papers are not white, कुछ papers आपके white नहीं है. All papers are not white, हर paper आपका white नहीं है. Some papers are white, कुछ papers आपके white हैं, और some books are white, कुछ books आपके white हैं. Option A है none of these, and second is only first follow, only first and fourth follow, and only first, second and third follow, fourth, first, third and fourth follow here. With regard of this, if I'm talking about here, so in this possibility, this is a typical diagram as well possible for both the cases. So we'll just gonna draw this, and there are the two possibilities, that is what we can say as in the form of forming these diagram. First condition that we have here is your W and B, and then W, and then we have intersection of P, then we have W, and then again we have C, and then we have again W. So this is the first Venn diagram. The second diagram, we can say that with regard of that, that is also complex. This is W, then we have B, then we have a W, then we have P, then we have again W, then we have again C, and then we have W here as well. So in the first figure that only first and second follow, and with regard of अगर मैं सिर्फ इस तरफ से देखती हूँ तो ये सेकंड फिगर के हिसाब से फर्स्ट सेकंड और फोर्थ फॉलो कर रहा है, थर्ड से फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड फॉलो कर रहा है जो कि आपका दिया हुआ है, और उसके हिसाब से अगर मैं बात करती हूँ फॉर द फोर्थ फिगर रेफरेंस टू दैट, तो विल was first second third follow. So the common solution in all the above, that is first follow only, and for that sake the first follow will be the right answer. None of these, only first follow, only first and fourth follow, first second, first third and the fourth follow, and that is option B will be the right answer, that is only first follow here. Now moving ahead with another question, and that is your 130th question of the session. The statement that has been given here, that is the statement is all trolleys are pulleys, सारे trolleys आपके pulleys हैं. Some pulleys are chains, कुछ pulleys आपके chains हैं, and all chains are bells, तो सारे chains आपके bell हैं. The conclusion first we have here is your some bells are trolleys, and no bell is trolley. No pulleys are bells, and no chains are pulley here. With regard of that, we have an options here, that is option A will be either first or second follow. B is none of these, either first or second and third follow, and as well as here the only third and fourth follow here. With regard of this, clearly we'll draw a diagram, and that is your only pulley, that is the intersection of P, and this is the intersection of C. So first possible diagram is this possible, and the second will I will draw here only the first two concentric circle, and then this is the concentric circle here, and that is C, B, T and P here. So with respect to the first one here, and for that sake it says that second and third follow karega, or for the this one it will say first and a third follow karega, and with regard of that combining two will get first or second में से कोई एक और third follow करेगा, and for that sake either first or second नहीं है, none of these first or second or third follow, and for that sake we have an option C will be the right answer for this question here. Now we'll move ahead with another question, and that is your question number 131th question of the session here. 131th question of the session, the statement has been given is some newspaper are radius, and that is some radius are television. कुछ newspapers आपके radius हैं और कुछ radius आपके televisions हैं, and no television is a magazine here. This question has been asked in the SBI PO question paper, and that is also an important paper respect to the competition wise if I am talking about. And the conclusion first is no newspaper is a magazine, कोई newspaper magazine नहीं है. No radius is a magazine, कोई radius magazine नहीं है. And some radios are not magazine, कुछ radios आपके magazines नहीं है, और some newspapers are television, कुछ newspaper आपके televisions हैं. Option is none of these, only the third follow and none follow here. With regard of this, there are the two possible Venn diagram here that we will draw here. The first will be your, this is M, then you have N, and then you have M, and then we have intersection of R, then we have S, T, and then we have M here. This is the first possible Venn diagram, and this is again another M, and with regard of this we have another Venn diagram, that is, so there are all total 4 Venn diagram is possible, first, second, and this is the third one, and then the another one we will draw here, M, N, and then we of course have M here. With regard of that it is R, then we have T, and then we have M here, and then again we have another one, that is M here. तो all total 4 possible बने आपके. केस जो हमारा ये वाला जो पैटर्न है, ये वाला, ये केस X है, ये केस Y है. इस केस की बात करती हूँ तो इसमें फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फॉलो करेगा, सेकेंड थर्ड फॉलो कर रहा है, फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फॉलो कर रहा है, इस तरह से, और तरह से थर्ड फॉलो कर रहा है. इस केस में फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ फॉलो कर रहा है, सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ फॉलो कर रहा है, फर्स्ट थर्ड फोर्थ फॉलो कर रहा है, और सेकेंड फोर्थ थर्ड फोर्थ फॉलो कर रहा है. तो कॉमन सोल्यूशन दैट व्हाट विल गेट इज द थर्ड फॉलो. सो वी विल गो विद द थर्ड फॉलो ओनली, and so none of these, only third follow and none of follow, that is option B will be the right answer, that is only third follow. Now we'll go ahead with the last question of the session, and that is your question number 132th question of the session, that what we have to discuss here. And with regard of that we'll go with option, the statement we have, the statement is some doors are windows, कुछ doors आपके windows हैं, all windows are black, सारे black जो आपके windows है वो black है, ब्लैक है, एंड सम ब्लैक्स आर ब्राउन, कुछ ब्लैक्स आपके ब्राउन है. इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो ये बैंक पीओ के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर है रिस्पेक्ट टू द कंपटीशन वाइज इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एंड विद रिगार्ड ऑफ दैट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो the options we have is only fourth follow, only third follow, and only second follow here. These were the options. According to this we have a possible two Venn diagram, so we'll draw first that, and that we have to, this is B, this is D, and of course the is brown. This is the first possible diagram. The second possible diagram we have, this is B, this is W, then we have D, and then again we have brown. Okay, so with this first one we have a common, that we can say that the third and fourth follow, and for the second figure we have a first and third follow here. So with combining the two we'll get a first or second, first or fourth and third follow. So first or fourth में कुछ भी हो, for third follow हो, and for that sake we have a second follow here. And so we'll go ahead, and with this conclusion we can say that only in the regard of this if I'm talking about. So yeah, with respect to these questions you have to just gone through with the concept that what we had done here till the date, and only second follows here with respect to that, and that is option C will be the right answer for this question here. Now we'll move ahead with the the next topic, that as we had complete the logic here, and after that we'll start with another one, and that is for the argument and the basis of this. As that I had told you about many times that in the reasoning we had started, and that the reasoning is divided into two parts, and that is your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning is also divided into the two parts, that is general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In the general mental ability, that is we had completed analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking and time sequence test, mathematical operation, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons. And then we have situation reaction test, verification of the truth of the statement. That we had this these were the 20 topics in terms of that general mental ability of reasoning. General mental ability we had done. Of the verbal रीजनिंग का सेकंड पार्ट हमने शुरू कर दिया है, जिसमें से हमने लॉजिक रीजनिंग में लॉजिक कंप्लीट कर लिया है. नेक्स्ट कमिंग क्लास में हम स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे, स्टेटमेंट assumptions, then statement course of action, statement conclusion, deriving the conclusion from the passages, theme detection, and then question statement, and then we have to discuss about the miscellaneous logical puzzle as well. In that will complete the verbal reasoning, and after that we'll start with the non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning में भी हमें बहुत सारे टॉपिक को डिस्कस करना है, just like we had started with series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, constructions of squares and triangles, figure formation and analysis, and then we'll discuss the practice question paper as well. So first of all, अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोस डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे. एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो, सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुंचे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सके. तो क्लास आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू. होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Please like, share and support us. Thank you.